Don't you hate when this happens? This is accidentals happen, and welcome to another bite-sized tutorial. In today's video, what if we had that issue where we were using a different overlay where the camera doesn't quite fit? How are we going to fit the camera inside the frame? That way you can create something like this for your stream. When sources are unlocked, it means that they're clickable, they're manipulative, and OBS is layer dependent. I recommend locking every source except for the one source that you're working on to make sure that it doesn't cause issues. We need to make sure that the camera reaches the top and bottom of the piece of the frame that we need to fit. So we're going to click and just grab a corner that allows us to resize and maintain ratio. So that's really, really important. That clicking and dragging and holding no keys on the keyboard will allow you to resize and maintain the ratio the entire time. If I did want to make this full screen because my camera is running at 1280, but I'm recording in 1920, I could do Control F and that would fill the screen. It shows head and shoulders, so it's a good framing for the shot. But let me go ahead and reset by Control R. Control R will reset all transformations to that source and take it back to the original. So let's go ahead and grab this camera. I'm going to just click and drag from any corner. I need to figure out how much of the background that I'm going to include, what side I'm going to crop from. Let's go ahead and drag this right about here so I'm nice and centered. Hold down the Alt key and then click and drag from any corner, and that's going to begin to crop. And I'm just going to crop these edges just behind this frame. Now, how do you stretch? So holding down the shift will allow you to resize without maintaining the ratio, so you can shrink and expand. And I'm going to give you an extreme version of this. This is the idea of shift. You can see that I can stretch and I can distort myself like crazy. Grab a corner, we click and drag, and we're going to resize and maintain ratio. We hold down shift. We are going to stretch in and out. If I hold Alt, why did that happen? So why is this happening? It's because I made previous transformations to this source, and sometimes doing a combination of Alt and Shift can cause some issues. And again, I've included a couple really great keyboard shortcuts for you. Control R, that way you can reset any transformations, and Control F, that way you can fill the screen with any source. Save yourself some time, learn these. You know that you're going to be clicking and dragging, so the only thing you have to remember is Shift and stretch, Alt, or cropped. I'm trying to make these very digestible, showing you practical uses. Content creation's hard enough. Technology doesn't need to be. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're wondering what to watch next, check out one of these videos.